dealing with bootloader issues myself after countless distro hops and spending days testing various fixes. I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. This video will show you exactly how to fix distro hopping bootloader corrupt and broken on Linux PC, getting your system back online swiftly. Our first method involves reinstalling GRUB. When changing Linux systems, the bootloader can get overwritten. Reinstalling GRUB from a live environment provides fresh, correct boot instructions, helping your system find its way to start. Next, we update the GRUB configuration. Sometimes the bootloader is fine, but its settings are outdated. This method updates GRUB's files to match your current system, telling it exactly where the operating system lives. This ensures GRUB knows what to do. For UEFI systems, checking and repairing the EFI partition is key. If this partition gets damaged, your bootloader cannot start. This fix ensures that critical partition is healthy, providing a clean place for your bootloader to begin. Finally, the boot repair utility is a lifesaver. This tool automatically finds and fixes many boot problems. It simplifies complex repairs by applying necessary fixes like GRUB reinstallation or EFI repairs with minimal effort. It's like an expert automatically fixing your boot issues.